My name is Jacob Cartwright, and this is my final term project for my Geography 865 class with Ryan Baxter. This is my North Slope Seismic Acquisition web map. I created this map using ArcGIS Online, and the map is available in ArcGIS Collector on the mobile app, and I also used ArcGIS Server for my feature service. Here's my feature service in the REST directory. It's called North Slope Seismic, and you can see it contains the layers of HSE events, sources, and receivers. If we go back to my North Slope Seismic Acquisition web map, you can see that these layers are contained within the map. And there's also data from the National Weather Service and a snow analysis layer from the National Weather Service as well. These are all important aspects of data when shooting a seismic survey on the North Slope. This web map was needed in order for field workers on the North Slope to communicate effectively with not only each other, but also with people that are in the office hundreds of miles away. We're going to go ahead and zoom into our web map and take a look at some of the features. We have HSE features here, symbolized by whether they're active or if the issues have been resolved. Here we see one of our points shows a diesel spill that is active. I'm going to go ahead and change this in the ArcGIS Collector app on my phone, and we'll see it update in real time on our app here on our web map in our browser. Having the capability to make these changes in the field and have them shown quickly to people in the office and to other people in the field is really important. You can't see, but in the Collector app, I'm clicking on the point and I'm going to change the status from active to resolved. After I update the point and submit my changes, we can go ahead and refresh our web map, and we should see something fairly soon. You can see the point has changed from orange to blue, showing that this HSE issue has been resolved. Next, we're going to change some points here in the web map itself. Our sources are made from large trucks called vibrators that shake the earth and send sound waves into the ground that are then collected by the receivers. As you can see, we have a couple of these points that are on an ice lake. Our trucks are way too heavy to drive on ice lakes, so we need to go ahead and cancel these points. We just simply click the point, click Edit, and then change the remarks to canceled. We can do that for a few more of our points in a pretty easy to use manner to make sure that our field workers are able to see not to drive and shoot these points. After we're done with that and we've applied our changes, you can see that they're now canceled. This will also show up in the Collector app on the field workers' mobile phones. We also have the ability, because we've enabled syncing for this layer, that if the workers are offline, if communications go down, they can update the changes when they're back online, and other personnel will be able to see it as well. This map has worked out pretty effectively for people to be able to communicate with each other and with office personnel while shooting seismic on the North Slope.